Welcome to the Craft Palace. There's a lot that goes on in here. Today we're going to make a shadow box. Now this one is a little different because it is a gift for a friend of mine. So I made sure that I got the correct spelling of her name, the day and the time that she was born, her height and her weight. We're going to get very creative and we're going to make something very special. The first thing we're going to do is get our shadow box taken apart. Now, the only thing we're going to need out of this for now is going to be the very bottom. So I'm going to take all of this out and we're just going to work with this. I've picked out a few things that I think will look really cute. Her name is Isla, so I have found a couple of different wooden letters. Now whether I'm going to use this large one, a small one, or just create something on my Cricut, I don't know yet. But I also grabbed some really beautiful paper. This is double-sided. This is a very shimmery, I'm not quite sure if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. Little polka dots. Just some pale pink scrapbook paper. Of course, we have little baby feet. And then I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. This is trim that you usually use on a scrapbook page. I'll show you this. If this were your 12 by 12 scrapbook page, it would basically fit across the front. So I will incorporate one of the two of these. This one is all little baby animals and toys. And then this one is just some really beautiful flowers. And then I have some stickers. This one is kind of cute because I can build this up. I'm gonna set these two aside. Some of these are really super pretty. First decision that we have to make is what our background paper is gonna be. I want this. The first thing that I'm going to do here is attach paper here to the back of the board. Now, I want to make sure that this is straight up and down because this is the pattern that I want. So let's make sure this isn't in the wrong place. And I'm going to do a little bit of design work here to figure out what I actually want to do. So I'm going to put in some shapes. I'm going to change these to white so that I can see. She was born May 27th, 2020. This is the hardest part. She was born at 7:09 p.m. Sometimes you have to reposition everything. This I also want to draw. 17.9 inches. 5. 8. Okay, now we'll get this. So what I'll probably do is something like this. Okay, we're going to come over here now and hope that we're going to get this right. Well, here's what I've got after redoing this numerous times. It ended up that black medium point was the best thing I was going to get on this, so I'm going to go ahead and go with it. I am going to fill in the little lines here, so I'll get that done and then we'll be ready to put these on. So I put a darker pink underneath it just to kind of frame it out. Okay, and one more. have a couple more little things that have color in them. And what I do have in stickers that belong with that are these. And I'm just not real pleased with them. I put them on the pink, you can see through it. And I just want to see what else I can find. I do have a few more of these left, but I just need to get a little bit of color up here somewhere so that we can have it balanced. Because there's color down in here, I really need to get something somewhere else in here too. I have some errands to run, so I'm gonna stop at Hobby Lobby or Michael's and see what I can come up with. I just came back from running errands and I had the hardest time finding anything. Hobby Lobby was just ridiculous. There was hardly anything there for babies. So I ended up at Michael's and I got this on clearance for $3. And then I also went ahead and bought this one here. I really wanted the little rubber ducky. And it was $1.99. So let's get everything put together and we'll finish this. And it's got little buttons on it. How fun is that? Cute as a button is right. Cute little hat. Sugar and spice. There we go. I'm thinking I'm gonna put different color bow on here. I'm just very carefully pulling those off, and I will show you how to make a bow with a fork. We're gonna wrap it around the fork, and we're gonna take our cut end here and go underneath. So now we're like this. Then we're gonna take that same cut end, I'm gonna shorten this a little bit, and then we're gonna take it up in the middle of the tines, and then we're gonna fish it through the bottom of the middle of the tines. Okay, and then pull that. So we're gonna tie it and then pull it off. Okay, what else is in here I might want to do? Look at that. Well, here it is, all framed. I'm really thrilled. I think it turned out really pretty. And I can't wait to give it to my girlfriend this weekend. Thanks for watching. I hope this is something that you'll try for yourself. Very easy, a little time consuming, but you just get to use your imagination and create something gorgeous for family or friends.